Good afternoon, class. Mr. Stone here. The lesson we have today, this is part of a series I'm doing, 3 or 4 tapes, and it's kind of all on factoring, polynomials and so forth. And what I want to do here is combining like terms, because this is sometimes what happens. You know, you multiply out 2 binomials and this is what you come out with, and sometimes you have to put these things together. So let me show you how easy this kind of is, okay? You look at every one of these, though. It's not negatives and positives. It's add and subtractions, okay? So let's see on the first one here. I kind of left a lot of space there. What like terms do we have? We have a positive 3x and we have a positive 7x. So really, let's get the pen going. Pen, I'm going to make a broad tip. So that gives us these two together, gives us a 10x. Now, on the 9y, what do we have? We have 9y, and then we have a negative 9y, okay? So, positive 9 and a negative 4 gives us a positive 5. So we got a positive 5y. Now, what's next? So let's cross these two, yeah. And now on the 2, do we have anything else for numbers? No, just the 2. So let's just bring this down. We got a positive 2. And really, that's all we got, okay? That combined the like terms, put this into a trinomial, okay, which later on we could factor this out. But right now, what they wanted us to do is combine like terms, and this is all there was to that. This is it, okay? Let's go down the next one, okay? So let's see. We got a 7x squared and a negative 3x squared. So what would that be? Well, 7 minus 3 is 4. So we got a 4x squared. 4x squared. Put these two together, so I'm going to draw the little line. Now we got a positive 6 and a negative 4. Let's make this bit a square. Okay, that's a square. Okay, positive 6 and negative 4. That's going to be a positive 2. And that's all there was there. See, this combining like terms isn't really that hard. You just got to, I want to say when you do this, you just got to go slow. And as you see, I kind of try to connect all these different things. So now, say hypothetically they gave you something that was 8 terms out. You know, you can get a little lost in the shuffle. Did I include everything? And that's where you make your errors, okay? So I'm going to square this off here. And now, I got a whole bunch more in my examples here. And what I did, just to save time, okay, there's all the answers to each one of those, okay? I already did them, okay? So you can just look at it. Some of these, as you see, they zeroed themselves out, okay? And that's basically it. Now, on this one here, you can see right here how these things should be written in the end, okay, is, see how this is to the third power, to the third power, to the second power. They should be written like that. So if anything's like to the 5th power, that should be the first one. And then the 4th power, and then the 3rd power, then the 2nd. So they go in, I'll call it descending type order. And then any real numbers without, letters after that should be at the end. As you see on this one here, the negative 4 is at the end. Okay, so just pay attention to that. That's how they should be written. And I don't want to say maybe some teachers might take off something on your paper if you don't have it written like that. So just get in the habit now of writing it like that. And that's the way it should always be. So just remember, the 5th goes first, then the 4th, then the 3rd, then the 2nd. And then the 1. Okay. And that's all there is to it. But here's all the answers so you can go over each one and say, whoa, this is how they did it. I just didn't want to do each one. It would just make the tape too long. But like I always say, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It'll help my YouTube ratings. And remember what I always say is math can be fun. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.